Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to develop a Python plugin for EurekaSim software. Um, Go to the add-in wizard, then select Python, then select symbol add-in, then hello. Enter project name as hello Python worlds. Okay. Then try to generate add-in project code. Okay, done with the code generation. Now we need to run from the Python ideally to see how the plugin works. So in order to make sure that this Python is actually running in your machine, you need to install 32-bit version of Python. I had already installed 32-bit version of Python, as well as the ideally and the all sort of associated things like pick commands and the Win32 module as well for Python. And so I'm actually trying to launch now ideally 32-bit. okay, ideally Python 32-bit. Then I will try to open the generated file. It is actually generated here. Then installation code, EurekaSim plugin, hello Python world. I selected this and then I open it. Then I will try to run. Let's see whether any plugins are actually loaded here. Oh, nothing is actually loaded here now. Okay, let's try to run the Python, run the module. So it is asking for elevator permissions. Then it will try to register it like this. Then let's try to run the application now. So it actually came with the hello Python world setup. So you can see this thing in action. You can see the Python add-in general loaded. Now let's try to add a custom command like a test command here. So what I need to do is just I need to go to this thing and close it. I will close it for now. Then I will go to the ideally. Then maybe I will add a method. So it's actually added 2 methods already here. So I will add one more thing, test command, test cmd. Okay, test cmd. Then I need to add this one. Maybe I will put here. I will make sure that test, what is that file name? This one name. Just a minute. Where is the command name gone? Test cmd. Okay, here. Just pasting it here. Then test cmd from Python. Now I need to customize the ribbon code as well. So where is that ribbon code? Ribbon code is actually located here. Same. Installation code, sim plugin Python. So here you can see the ribbon. You need to open it with maybe it should be with Notepad. Actually, Notepad is good, or you can then I will put paste it. Then test cmd. I will put the name cmd. Okay, then I will try to launch the application, Python application again. Since it is already registered, I just need to launch it right now. Okay, this is the test cmd. So I will change the icon. I mean, I change it to image index 0. Then I will try to save it. Then I will launch it again. So it is launched with another icon. Okay, test cmd from Python. So this is how we will be able to customize the Python add-in with different set of commands. You can add other commands as well, like combo box commands, drop down menu commands, and other associated commands like checkboxes. All this can be incorporated from the Python add-in itself. I will be back from with another set of tutorials. Thank you for bye for now. Thank you for your time.